Question number 11, where the entire journey is divided into equal parts. Look at the question. A person covers half of his journey at 30 km per hour and the remaining half at 20 km per hour. Find the average speed of the whole journey. Okay. There is two methods to answer this question. I will go with the conventional method first and then we go with the another method. The conventional method, it says that average speed is equal to total distance by total time. What is the distance? I do not know. So I will take the distance as d. So half of the distance, that means half of d, that is 1 by 2 of d, that is d by 2. This is a half of the distance with a speed of 30 km per hour. Okay. So what is time 1? Time 1 is d by 2, that is half of the distance with a speed 30 km per hour. Distance by speed is equal to time. That means d by 2 by 30, which is equal to d by 60. This is time 1. Time 2, again d by 2, and what's the speed for the remaining half? 20 km, d by 2, and the speed is 20. So I can write this as d by 40. This is time 1 and this is time 2. When I add these two, I get the total time. Okay, what is total distance? The total distance I have taken as d. So this must be d by time 1 plus time 2, that is d by 60 plus d by 40. When I take the LCM of this, so I get this as d by, the LCM is 120, so 120 divided by 60, 2 times, it's become 2d, and 120 divided by 40, I get 3, it's become 3d, so 2d plus 3d, it's a 5d, so 5d by 120, so I can take the 120 over here, so dd gets cancelled and 120 divided by 5, it's become 24. So average speed is 24 km per hour. This is your answer with the basic method which we learned previously. But we can change the method when the distance is traveled in two equal parts with different speed. Formula is average speed is equal to 2ab by a plus b, whereas a is the speed of first part and b is the speed of second part. So let's replace this value here. This is a, 30 km per hour, 20 km per hour, this is b. So find out the average speed 2ab, that is 2 into 30 into 20 by a plus b, that is 30 plus 20, which is 50. So by using this formula, let's see what comes. 0 gets cancelled, and with this 6 times, 6 into 2 is 12, into 2 is 24. So 24 km per hour. This is your average speed. So in the previous case also we got the average speed as 24 km per hour. Whenever the distance is divided into equal parts, then I can always apply this formula. So there is a limitation for application of this formula. You have to remember that. When can I apply this formula? When the overall distance is divided in two equal parts, not two parts, two equal parts. Okay, then only I can make it as 2ab by a plus b, and this is an easier method. So questions like this, I request you to follow the formula, not this general method.